Happy New Year's Eve, everyone. And here I got my neighbor's carry Sentry and my carry bell. So I'm gonna film this one. And here you got the first one. Then I do this video. It's from 2020. It's a 2020 carry Sentry series. The 2020 carry Sentry is a free zone. And then there's some more. The HVAC in the neighborhood. Then here I got my carrier Sentry from 2021. It's a heat pump. There's no defrost cycle in this today. It's a different one. No. Yeah, I think that's a holiday school compressor now. And it's from 2021. And then this is faded. No. It's not getting defrostable. So here I got this. I'd like to start with this. Until it likes it. No. Then here I get this. I'll be doing fireworks soon. So yeah, here's my. Then I take a shot for him. There. Here we go for carrier Sentry, sir. So yeah, it's got all the free carrier Sentry. My other neighbor carrier and my neighbor's carrier Sentry bell. So yeah, those are you. Say my name. So, alright.